Hello friends, myself Premonambula. Welcome to my channel and please subscribe and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos. This is the part 3 of Exchange Server 2013 installation on Server 2012, and now I will show you the next process, and before that I will show you some sort of prerequisites that is needed for the installation of Server 2013. That is ADDS, then DNS, then IIS services, then check for your IP addresses and DNS. It is set and it is same because IP address and DNS must be same because it may be 127.0.0.1 because this one is the loopback IP, so there is no issue. If it shows like this, there is no issue. Then you must install an MS Office, that is 2010, 13, 16, 19, whichever you have. Next one is Microsoft Unified Communication Managed API 4. It is freely available in Microsoft site. Then you must also install Filter Pack 2010 and Filter Pack 2010 SP1. These both are also easily available in Microsoft site. Then you must install these features of server. Okay, all these configurations are done. Next is you must also check for the administrator service, because if you are using a user account, then it will not install because it will show some sort of errors. And if for the installation of this purpose you must have a built-in administrator, and I am using that, then you must go to the Exchange Server 2013 folder. That is, I just extracted that from this file. You can see here I extracted that here, and now just go to the files and go to the PowerShell, then go to PowerShell as administrator. I just go there, and now I just type the commands in a paper. I just want to know which one is that. Yes, this one is here, and I just copy this one. You can type that or copy this one. I will explain this. Okay, I am just copying this and paste here and enter. I will tell you what it is. Primarily you must just type full stop, then / setup space / prepare ad space / I accept Exchange Server license terms space / organization name and full colon, then the organization name. That is, I have an organization that is Namo, and if you have anything else, then you can type that here. It may be your name or your organization, something like Amazon, whatever you have, you can type here and just start installation. You can see here files are copying and it is completing. It will check a prerequisite check for the Exchange Server installation. It will take a while, and let me check it is working or not. Sometimes it will show some sort of errors and you must rectify that. Okay, you can see here it is completed and organization preparation is started, and I think it will end successfully. You can see here, you can, if you have some sort of errors and if you want to troubleshoot that, you can go this site, that is the site of Microsoft.com, and you can do fault rectification and fault finding, whatever it is. Okay, I think it is working now. And then the next command is, I will show you. The next command is / setup space / prepare schema space / I accept Exchange Server license and terms. Okay, after this installation completed, then you must also do this one, that is / setup space / prepare domain space / I accept Exchange Server license and times, and these are the process. Then after completion of this, I will tell you the next step, and it is a complicated installation, so I am showing you in 4 steps, and I think you will get it very well. The first thing is you must check the prerequisites, and the main thing is you must open you must run an administrator. Sorry. That is administrator account. You must run an administrator account, then it will show some sort of error, and I think it is working. You must check these prerequisites, otherwise it will show you some sort of errors. Okay, these are the roles of server, that is Active Directory Domain Services, then DNS Domain Name System, and this is Internet Information Services. And these three are main events of Exchange server. It will work on a web platform, so it need these things. Okay, and then the IP address, then the DNS. Sometimes the DNS will show like 127.0.0.1, that is the loopback address, that is the same IP of the computer or the server. There is no issue if it is shown like this. You can also put the same IP address on the DNS, there is no issue. Let me check it is complete or not. It is taking a while. Now you can see that the installation is completed successfully. Next one is, I will show you the second command, that is .setup prepare schema. I am just copying this and I will put that on my, okay, let me check, it's okay. Now you can see here it is completed also. The next one is prepare domain, and I am just keeping this also done, so that actually there is some sort of issues with my keyboard, and I'm just okay, let's copy that. Now I will edit and paste here and just enter. It is also working. You can see here it is also completed, and every function is completed. And thank you for watching. Now I will restart this computer, and I will tell you the next step on my next video. Thank you very much for watching. Please subscribe my channel and press bell icon for latest information technology related videos.